Understanding the final verdict, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. Specifically, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the final verdict. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about the language, this phrase is a great addition to your vocabulary. So, let's get started. The final verdict is a phrase with a legal origin. In a courtroom, a verdict is a decision made by a judge or jury about whether someone is guilty or not guilty. When we say, the final verdict, we're talking about a decision that is conclusive and definitive. It means that a decision has been made, and there is no going back. Interestingly, the final verdict is often used outside the legal context. It can refer to any final decision or conclusion in various situations. For example, in a business meeting, after a long discussion, when a decision is reached, someone might say, "So, the final verdict is we're launching the new product in June." It implies that the decision is made and will be acted upon. Using the final verdict in everyday conversation is simple. It's best used when you want to emphasize that a decision is conclusive. You might hear it in phrases like, "The final verdict on the new restaurant is that it's fantastic. After much thought, my final verdict is to accept the job offer." It's a versatile phrase that adds a touch of formality and finality to your statements. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the final verdict and how you can use it in both formal and casual settings. It's a phrase that carries the weight of decisiveness and conclusion. Happy learning, and I look forward to sharing more interesting English phrases with you in future videos.